Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how I made this amazing game in HTML, CSS and JavaScript without writing a single line of code just by using Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So here I am having my Visual Studio Code open with an empty folder inside it, and I'll be creating this game with the help of GitHub Copilot. So if you want to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. I've done an entire tutorial on that. So once you're done setting up, basically you will be having two extensions added, which is the GitHub Copilot and Copilot Chat. And also you'll be having this open chat from GitHub Copilot. So first step is going and creating a HTML file. So I'll just go here and have main.html. So I'm just going to put all the CSS and JavaScript code inside this HTML file. I don't want to have multiple number of files. Once you're done creating this file, go to this on the top and you'll be having two options. One is edit with Copilot, which means we're going to edit the existing code, and next one is going to be ask Copilot. So I'll just go with ask Copilot because we are going to create code from the scratch. So I'm going to put this particular prompt: give me the code for creating a intermediate level paddle and ball game in HTML, CSS and JavaScript with a scorecard, and put the code in one HTML file, and the game should occupy the whole viewport screen. And I'm going to select the model as GPT-4o and just run it. It will take some time to think and generate the code. So yeah, this time it has generated so quickly. I'm getting the styles over here and the style tag, since we are using only one HTML file, and of course under the script tag we will be having the JavaScript code. So now we can just quickly copy this code and copy here and go inside our main.html and just paste the code. That's it. That's amazing. Save it and you can just click on this go live. This opens our application in a new tab. So this is what I get. It's obviously so slow and we don't have any challenges or obstacles in our way, so we need to add them. So if I hit it, the score is getting added. So this is basically the game, and so let's add more obstacles or challenges in this game. I'm just going to close the chat because now I'm going to edit the existing code. Okay, so for this, now I'm going to select the entire code, which is Control and A, select all and press the key Control and I, and I'm just going to put this prompt over here. So I'm going to say make the ball movement fast, add some obstacles, and every time the ball hits the obstacles I'm getting 10 points extra in the score. And I'm just going to run it. So now it will just basically scan our entire code and add the new codes into it. So these green lines are the places where new blocks of code are added, and if you want to discard them you can do it. If you want to accept that, it gets added. So I'll just click on accept. I trust Copilot, so I'll just go here and click on accept. Here also accept. Yeah, all the green marks have gone, which means that we have accepted everything. So save it, and here you can see we are having the obstacles, and you saw that right, the score has been updated to 10, and every time we hit on the obstacle the score gets added. So now the ball movement is also fast, and let's try to add more more speed and increase the size of the obstacles. And the procedure is going to be same: select all, Control I, and I'm just going to put this command: increase the ball speed and make the obstacles, I will go with twice bigger, and add amazing effects like a fire or spark. So this is what I would say in case if you are creating a new project from scratch, or it can be anything. Don't try to add all the necessities or conditions in a single prompt itself. First create a boilerplate and then keep on adding on the code so that it gives the best results. If you go and put all the chunks or all the criteria that you need, it can't give you a good result. Okay, so just go step by step, one particular feature at a time. So I will run this. It has increased the speed. I will click on accept, and here also accept. Yeah, that's it, we are done. Save it, and here you can see the speed has been increased so much, and the obstacle size is also big, and now it's totally interactive. It's so challenging now to play, and you can even add more levels and keep on upgrading based upon your taste, and that looks amazing, to be honest. And I didn't write a single line of code. All I did was giving it 3 English prompts, and you can even add another level or some more challenges if all the obstacles have gone. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI, as well as OpenAI, Gemini AI APIs, AI tools also. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.